I can't say it enough. Please enjoy Mother Nature. Please enjoy Mother Nature. It's just nothing like it. I don't know what's in the fifth dimension, but I know I want to see butterflies. And I don't believe in swallowing your lies. Oh, man. Life. Please enjoy the outside. I can't say it enough. I mean, like when I took these side roads that led me nowhere. Well, they did lead me somewhere. To a snake and millipede tracks and cows just eating on the side of me. Oh, excuse me. Yes, it was cows walking on the side of me like it's their road too, and cows eating, just roaming around by their, I don't know what you would call it, el pozo, by their well. El español me viene ahora, por eso a lo mejor conectando por aquí. Okay. Just the beauty. Whitney Houston, man, and John Lennon both made me cry today. Look at all the beauty they possess inside. And I know, we're talking about children, but so many of us always I wish I was a child again. Why? Less rules. And what else? I had fun. And what else? People listen to me like my parents that cared about my feelings. Oh, nobody cares about you now. No. They want me to take their feelings in consideration, so I do. And I don't listen to mine when I'm a grown up. Okay, excuse me, that was my example, okay? When you grow up to be a sensitive and empathetic person, you end up looking out for other people's thoughts besides yourself. But now I'm on another dimension and all I want to see is butterflies. And I saw a lot of butterflies. That's why I definitely had to get